What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for those of you who are watching for the first time, and for today's video I am doing my long overdue current curly hair routine. So I'm starting this video off just showing you guys my result, and if you guys want to see exactly what products I use and my method for my curly hair routine, keep watching, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead with my co-wash. I do use a co-wash now instead of actual shampoo. In my last video, I did mention that I used the Pattern shampoo and conditioner, but I did run out of that. So since then, I've been just using the Pantene Gold Series Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. As you can see it. I do really like this product. It works very, very well. I actually have a couple more products from their Gold Series, and I can talk about that a little bit more if you guys want. But this is just a very, very good drugstore alternative if you guys are looking for a co-wash. So I'm going to take a good size amount and just really get it from the top of my head, because that's where I apply most of like my gel products. So just going to really massage that in. And then I'm going to go to the same thing with the back of my head and just really massage the product in. I love the way this product works because it like melts away all the gel and chemicals that you had in your hair before, and it just leaves your hair feeling so smooth and soft. Lastly, I'm just going to take a little bit more and just run it through the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse. Alright, so now for conditioner, I'm also using the Pantene brand. I've literally been using this conditioner since I was a baby, and it still works very well in my hair. I love to use Pantene when I run out of my other stuff because one, it's a good drugstore alternative, and two, it's a great base layer for the rest of my products. Like, it doesn't cause my hair to flake or any of that stuff. So I do really trust this brand, and I do really like it. And this is just the Pantene conditioner, repair and protect, and it fights damage. So I use a lot of conditioner. I'm just going to tell you guys right now. Alright, so I'm going to start with this much, but I'm definitely going to go in more because I want to cover my entire head with conditioner. I am going to do a lot of scrunching throughout my whole curly hair routine just to make sure I never lose that definition. Alright, so conditioner's in my hair. I'm not gonna wash it out right away. I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna run it through my hair just to detangle. See, do you guys see how like easy it is to brush my hair? It's definitely because of the conditioner, because it's just so moisturizing. Like, I literally love it. I'm gonna scrunch a bit. Go do the same thing with the other side. If you guys haven't seen my hair mask video, you guys should definitely watch that. I would apply the hair mask before I do all these steps just to give my hair an extra boost of whatever it needed. My results were bomb. You guys should definitely try that recipe. Usually this would be the time that I wash my body and do all that kind of stuff, and then I would rinse out the conditioner. I just like to let my conditioner sit in my hair for as long as possible, and when I rinse it out, I don't like to rinse it out all the way. I just run my hair through the water a little bit, and then that's it. I like to leave a little bit of product in my hair just to add some extra moisture and just to make sure my curls are conditioned up until the point where I start adding product, because at this point my hair is going to be like this for a while after I like lotion on my body and stuff like that, and then I would go in with my product. So during that whole time period, I want to make sure that there's product in my hair so that my curls aren't just drying up with nothing. And one of the things to help keep your curls wet until you start your curly hair routine is to get a turban or a microfiber towel. These do not dry up your hair, and they don't cause frizz and stuff like that. So literally, as soon as I finish getting out of the shower, I'll put this on my head and I'll leave it on. So this one I just got from Marshalls, and it came in a bundle pack. It came with the satin bonnet and the microfiber turban. Just gonna go ahead and wrap that around my head. And yeah, that's it for the shower. Let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off my turban. It's been a good 30 minutes since I got out of the shower, and as you guys can see, my curls are still damp, and that is from wearing the turban. And now it's in the perfect state to apply product. So the first thing we're gonna do is just section my hair down the middle just to make it easier to apply the product. What I'm gonna do is go in with my Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream. This product, y'all, bomb. First of all, shout out to Dominique for putting me on because this is one of the best curling creams I've ever used. No size. Just wait till you guys see the results. So I'm gonna go in my curling cream, take about this much, and just run it through my curls. I applied this to my whole head, and I really try to focus on the front because that's where I want the most definition. Take a little bit more, go into the other side with the product. As I mentioned before, continuously throughout my curly hair routine, I like to scrunch just to make sure my curls are holding. All right, so after, I'm just gonna go in with the Miss Jessie's Honey Curls. I will ride for this product until the wheels fall off because I absolutely love it. First of all, a little goes a long way. I literally use this much for each side. And I just run it through my curls. I like to focus this product more towards the outside, which people see. So like the top layer of hair, the back, and then my bangs. And then with a little bit of product on my fingers, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist my bangs up. So I do like to finger curl the front of my hair because these curls never want to stay in place when my hair actually dries. So I just like to give those a little extra attention. And then before I brush, I'm just going to go in with the Gold Series Pantene. This is the Detangling Milk, and it's also a leave-in conditioner. So I like to focus this more on the ends just to make sure that they never get dry. I'm going to go in with my Denman brush. Well, this isn't a Denman brush. I used to use the Denman brush, the pink one, but it was very flimsy and it broke after like a couple months. So when I got my Pattern Beauty stuff, I actually got the Pattern detangling brush. First of all, look at it. It's super sturdy and like very durable, which I really like. It's also black, so it's very aesthetically pleasing, and I do really like that. And then it just has Pattern on the handle. This brush was, I think, $25, around the same price as the Denman. So I'm just gonna go ahead with this, and I'm not gonna brush my whole head. I'm only gonna focus on the areas where I need the most definition. So I'm gonna take a little section starting from the bottom, and I'm just gonna brush through and then scrunch. So literally brush and scrunch. Just taking small sections, not brushing through my whole head. Section, brush, scrunch. So when you're brushing and scrunching, you can start to see the areas where you need more product. So when I see that my hair is a little dry, I'm just gonna go ahead with a little bit more of my honey curls. Just add more product to that section. Finished brushing and scrunching. Looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to apply my Eco Styler gel, just a little bit. Literally, I use a little bit, rub it in my hands, pat the top just to make sure that there's no frizz there. And then I'm just gonna go in and just scrunch, just to make sure everything is locked in. And then I'm gonna flip my head and do that too. Before I diffuse, I like to add this oil before and also after. This is the Aussie Total Miracle Restoring Oil. This just prevents frizz when I diffuse, and it also just adds a little more moisture and shine to my hair. I love this product. I use it all the time. Whenever my hair is like drying up or in the morning, I'll literally just run this through my hair, and it just brings life back into my curls. I think I showed this on my channel before, but I just have the Infinity Pro by Conair. I used to use the Diva Curl hand or whatever, but to me this just works way better, and it's a lot cheaper because it comes with it. I'm just gonna talk about my settings real quick. I always do cool, and I usually put it in the middle, so like low power. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and circle my head, just letting the gel in my curls just set, and I do that for about 10 minutes until my hair is no longer wet. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start drying my roots. When I do my roots, I go in and up just to give it my hair that little lift and that volume. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the up and down method with the blow dryer, and then flip my head over and do the back. And that's gonna be it for diffusing. But this part takes a super long time, so that's why I'm just gonna fast forward. But you guys will get the concept as you watch. Alright, so I finished diffusing. So now I'm just gonna go in once again with my Aussie Total Restoring Oil just to get rid of any frizz. As I'm doing this, I'm also gonna pull my curls apart, whichever ones are stuck together, and just give my hair a good fluff. And this is my final result. As you guys can see, I have a lot of definition, a lot of shine from that oil, and my hair is super soft, super fluffy. It's not weighed down by heavy products, and I just love it. Alright guys, so this concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, I will have all the products that I use linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!